We have a GM motor. This is a 6.0. Goes for a 5.3 and a 4.8. This is a common problem that the cam lobes wear. Very common problem. And we're going to show you the cam and what's going on here. So what happens is the rocker, you see this gets a little pitted and it starts wearing the lobes out. If you look on the cam here, lighting's not the greatest, but some of these lobes are really worn out. Let's see if I can find a bad one. So you can see here, this lobe is completely flat and it's supposed to be oval like this. And look how this is all pitted. The lifter. So this is a common problem on a 6.0, 5.3. You see sometimes on a 4.8, right?
We don't really get 4.8 so much up.
Yeah, not
5.3s and 6.0s.
Not too much on that one, but the 5.3s and 6.0s. So what's the signs that this is the that this is going on?
A lot of times you hear like
Misfire and knocking. So, and it's also recommended that you use an aftermarket replacement because otherwise you're going to get the same problem. It's crazy, but common problem on the GM motor. 6.0, 5.3.